Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the 67 emote QR code not working in Clash Royale step by step. First of all, make sure the QR image is clear. If it's blurry, cropped or low resolution, Clash Royale might not detect it. Try to get a clean screenshot or a photo where the whole code is visible and centered. Next, use the in-game scanner correctly. Open the Clash Royale app on your device, then tap on the three lines menu at the top right. After that, select Supercell ID. Here, go to the Friends tab. After that, tap on Add. Then choose Scan QR code. Then point your camera steadily at the code and wait until the game recognizes it. Hold your phone still for a second or two. And if someone sent the QR code as a screenshot, open your photo gallery. Then long press the QR image and after that tap on Open in Clash Royale. That will import the code directly into the game. After that, check camera permissions and lighting. Make sure Clash Royale has camera permission on your phone. Also, scan in good lighting and remove reflections on the screen. Glare can stop the scanner from reading the code. If it still won't work, update Clash Royale from the App Store or Google Play Store, then restart the app or restart your phone. After that, try to offload the app. For that, open the Settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into iPhone storage. Now, scroll down and find Clash Royale from the list of apps, then tap on Offload app. After that, reinstall the app. Your Supercell ID keeps your progress safe, so reinstalling won't lose your account. Also, make sure the QR code or event is still valid. Some emotes are limited time. If the code expired or the event hasn't launched in your region yet, it won't work. Now, if none of these fixes work, go to your Clash Royale and then tap on the three lines menu at the top right corner. After that, select Settings. Now, tap on Help and Support and contact Supercell Support. Send them the QR screenshot and explain the issue. They can check whether the code is valid or help manually. And that's all for today's video. This step should fix the 67 emote QR code not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos and thank you for watching.